To find local variables associated with an object or terminal, to see the procedure, let's first create a new VI. Let's place a few objects on the front panel for which we will create local variables and then search for them. Let's go to the block diagram, right click, and then let's create a few local variables. Now to find the local variable, we can do this from front panel as well as from the block diagram. Just right click the object and then go to find and then local variables. For this to work, you must have more than one local variables. A dialog box will appear showing you where the local variables, how many local variables you have, and in what are they writable or they readable. So select the one you want to search for and then just press go to. Let's turn this one into read, and then from block diagram you can right click, you can go to find local variables, and then you can find the read one or the write one and just then click go to, and LabVIEW will find the local variable for you. Thanks for watching.